Hi guys, it's Dr. Mayu and welcome back to my channel for another episode of eating of whole food plant-based diet. This episode I wanted to talk to you about carbohydrates. And again, this meal is very similar to the meal I showed you last time, so I only briefly will focus on how I prepare that. I've just done another weekly shopping, so I've got an abundance of fresh produce in my fridge now, which really has to be eaten. So I will show you some quick recipes in the next episodes for when I'm running out of those fresh produce. With this meal, I probably will be having this similar meals for the next 3-4 days. I've got some water with a whole orange in as well to complement this meal, and added some mint leaves to just season it a little bit. And okay, so today we're gonna focus on carbohydrates. Bon appetit. So it is recommended to get most of your calories, up to 70%, from carbohydrate-rich food. So for instance, here I've got some sweet potatoes, which are the rich carb veggies, starchy veggies. So they take a quarter of my plate, but next to them actually I've got the whole half of my plate filled with this green salad, which also has got some carbohydrates in it. I've got some apples in, I've got some bell pepper. This is more calorie diluted part. Sweet potato is more calorie dense carbohydrate product. And now we can also digest fat, we can digest protein, but the body really uses glucose first for energy. And I think the most natural way of eating is consuming those whole food plant-based meals, just because glucose in those meals, in the carbohydrates from veggies, has got a low glycemic index. So what does that mean? So it means that the starches from potatoes, from whole grains, or the polysaccharides, are broken down slowly as they travel through our digestive tract, and then sustain you this almost constant level of releasing glucose into your bloodstream, rather than as it would happen with refined carbohydrates, give you the peak of glucose in your plasma concentration. You really want to consume products that will give you slow glucose release and will sustain you for longer. another bonus of eating whole food, plant-based, and those whole foods, carbohydrates rich products, is that except for carbohydrates, they contain a lot of fiber, and fiber is digested by your gut microbiome, which also break it down to other substances that are beneficial for us that we can then absorb. Although mainly fiber provides us also with this protective mucus layer in our intestines, so we don't have this direct contact with the gut microbiome, and therefore our bowel cells don't get are not affected by the bacteria directly. Okay, and on that note, I'll let you see some footage from preparing this meal. And voila! Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you find this informative, and I'll see you soon. Cheers!